Hi, welcome to Bombay Shave Company. My name is Soothe and I'm here to talk to you about one of our Father's Day kits. This is one of my favorite boxes. This is the Daily Shave Care Kit. The outer layer is made of teal and this is how it comes out. So under the cover you'll see this beautiful logo right away. The magnetic seal here that opens up like this. Once you've opened the box you'll see that it has a pre-shave scrub, a shaving cream, a Post Shave Balm, a shaving brush which is made out of badger hair, which basically means there's no plastic and it's really good on your skin. It's got this really nice towel that smells so nice because we spray a little bit of perfume before we send it to you. So this box, which looks so amazing, is only for $15.95. Log on to www.bombayshavingcompany.com and use the code MyDadShines for a special discount.